Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. Till now we have seen how we can do different types of graphics using Adobe Spark, graphics that would probably cost us a lot of money otherwise if we would outsource them or use other apps, because we won't have templates, and if we would have to pay for them. Now in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Spark for graphics in a more personal purpose for creating a collage. So what we have to do right now is click again after we are logged into our dashboard on the plus sign, and from the graphics section, if we scroll down, we will have different types of options here, right? But what we are looking for, let's go back to all. We want to create a collage, right? So we are going to select the collage option from the all section, and let's give it a name, personal test, saving, and this is how our collage will look like. Okay, we have different elements, each picture or each photo can be replaced. Okay, scale, rotated, you already know how to edit them. What will be different, again, like at all the other type of graphic templates or graphics that we have seen so far, is the looks of the collage. Okay, the looks of the images and the collage itself. Okay, add photo, we can add a photo to the collage. Let's find a free photo, desert. Let's say we want to add this photo, and it has been added in the collage for us, and this is how we edit it automatically. Okay, we can just switch between the images, okay, add them, you know, switch them, and so on. Now how do we basically edit the looks of an image so it maybe it looks a little bit different with a better effect? We just have to select the looks option, and you will see that we have different filters, and we can also apply the filter to all the images. We can add light, we can add multiply, colorize, mate. I think the contrast looks very good, and we can apply it to all of our images. Okay, we can also add effect, like a blur effect to our image, and you can see it happening on the image. So this is pretty much how we can add images and change the effects for them. So after we are done with the collage, as you have seen, it's very easy to add. Now let's add, let's say, an icon, not an arrow, coin. It has also added another element. This is just an example. Okay, I have deleted it. After we are done with the project, with the collage itself, again, it's very simple. You can see that we have layouts also for the collages, so it's not necessarily automatic. You can select one of the layouts from here, and after we are done with the collage and how it looks like, and if we like it, we just press the download button, and you already know the procedure. It will be downloaded to our computer, or if we select the share button, it will be shared on our social media if we want to. Now this is pretty much it. It's very simple to also create a collage, to create a very nice memory for, I don't know, for your family, for your friends, or just for simple personal purposes. Thank you again for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next